Hello and good morning. No, I'm not awake yet, really, but I guess actually, ooh, boom, there's the light. Hey yo, this is Dash and welcome to another video no one asked for. Alright, so every now and again, I do things that are not barbecue related. And I know this is going to be another one of those things that is not barbecue related. So I've had a lot of people say and comment about my beard and my head being shaved and other things like that. So I figured this morning, because I need to put out, or I want to put out a video for tomorrow, tomorrow being October 15th, today being October 14th, today is actually my birthday. So please tell me happy birthday down below, and if you want to leave me some beer money, as I'm getting text messages like crazy, feel free. I appreciate it. Anyway, I'm gonna show you guys my beard routine. This is bed beard. I slept with my beard this way. So I'm gonna get in the shower, get out of the shower, oil my beard, and blow dry it or dry it so you guys can see what it is, in case you guys wanted to do something similar, or if you know someone that needs to step up their beard game, I'll show you how to get it done. First thing, shower. Give me a couple minutes. Get ready. All right, so I'm back, showered, and you see my beard is still actually a little wet. Anyway, and so at this point, I usually would do one or two things. I just shaved my head yesterday, so I don't really need to shave it again today. But I've been using this as from Freebird, not sponsored, but I will leave a link down in the description down below where you can get one of these off of Amazon. This one is the newer one, and I have the older one. My wife got me this one for Father's Day, and obviously I'm still using it, but I use this one more because the way that you clean this one is a lot easier than on the old one, where you have to pop each of these individual shaving heads. Yeah, see, opening it up, and it's just a little more cumbersome. The newer one is easier. Anyway, so but I would shave my head if I needed to, and I don't really, because I did, like I said, I just shaved it yesterday morning. But I usually also would shave my head before I get into the shower. Though this says it's waterproof and you can use it in the shower. But it does a really good job. And in a minute or two, I'm done shaving my head. Now, what I've been using recently on my beard is, this is Olive Miracle. It's got some heat protection in it, but I also mixed another oil and put them into this bottle because it's a spray bottle, and I'll put a couple sprays, like 5 or 6 sprays, and rub it in and put it into my beard. And then on my head, of course, gotta keep my chrome dome shiny. And on my face, it is literally just oil. So I rub it in, like I said, on my head and my face. And then I have, this is another thing I got off of Amazon recently. This is a blow dryer / straightener, and it works wonders. So in about a minute, maybe, my beard will be nice and straight. So let me show you what I do. literally a minute, 2 tops. That's it. At this point, it looks way straighter than it will end up being. What will happen is within a few minutes, half an hour or so, the moisture and the humidity in the air will kind of knock this down a little bit, and it won't be like as, you know, prickly straight, but it'll still be nice and full. Uncle Calvin, my beard, my locks are full.
My locks are full, you know what I'm saying? Full. Look at that. You see that? That's a beard.
So, but that's it. Just a quick video today because, like I said, I wanted to get something out, trying to keep with 2 videos a week. So thanks as always for watching. If you have any questions, I will also post links to this dryer if you need a dryer like this, and obviously if you have, you know, coarser hair like I do, or if you don't, I'm sure this probably will work for you too, as well as the razor or the shaver. But anyway, I'll leave links for those things down below. Thanks again as always for watching. I'll see you guys next time.
More water, baby.